Sports on CBS Los Angeles is sponsored by Rotolo Chevrolet, pursuing excellence every day.
We always learn something new from Jim Hill, and you have a story about a sport I've never heard of, Jim.
You're going to hear about it now.
We're waiting on it.
And so will your partner.
Yep.
And so will you at home. Because
big.
here we go. There's something really cool happening at the Sato Academy of Mathematics and Science in Long Beach. The high school has a drone soccer team, and this weekend they will compete for a national championship in New York. Now, don't worry, my friends, if you don't know that much about drone soccer, because Chris Hayre has that story.
For somebody who has never seen this and they're watching TV and put this on and they're seeing these drones flying around, how would you best describe it to somebody?
It's kind of like Quidditch from Harry Potter. It's like a 5v5 game. One striker is scoring on each team. There's a goalie blocking the goal, and then the defenders are trying to help that goalie.
So drone soccer has its origins in South Korea. It was brought over to the U.S. a few years ago, and it's a new esport. There was an article about U.S. drone soccer. It kind of gave some history, but I was reading the article and there was a YouTube video link. It was the promotional video for U.S. drone soccer. So I watched it and I was absolutely amazed about what they were doing with the kids and how they were promoting equity and how they were saying that this was about helping kids with STEM skills. So I sent the video over to my principal. She watched it and immediately texted me back saying, how do we get this here at Sato? Tell me the significance behind drone soccer and how this kind of works on parallel paths here.
There's a lot of STEM involved. The kids can build their own drones and program them and hopefully become an engineer.
I think a couple of us, we are looking into like pathways into aerospace and stuff like that. So drones are kind of being used more in like the police force or like delivering food or packages and stuff like that. So if we can kind of get into that with drones and figure out how the drones work and how they fly and how to build them even.
I want to have a career in the STEM field, engineering, so building the drone was really fun for me. And I'd never really done anything with drones before this, so it was a really cool experience.
Here we go.
So now you can raise it up a little bit. Yeah, and then put your thumb on the controller, and you can move it around.
Oh, whoa, there we go.
Girls in STEM fields are underrepresented. And so one of the things that we're trying to do here, one of our focus areas, is to get more girls involved. And hopefully they will go into the workplace and represent, industry and represent people working in STEM fields. I just hope that, we can successfully bring more people involved into drone soccer, because I do think it's the next big thing.
If you're interested in this new sport and our content, please consider liking and subscribing.